Okay, hi again. Uh, Today I'm gonna try and pick this antique corbin. Sorry, I'm not sure if it's actually classified as an antique or not. Um, Cool thing about it, you might not be able to see, is I believe it has a ball bearing, um, or ball bearings for bottom pins, which I thought was really cool. So, I've tried raking this a few times and it opens up really easy. Actually not raking, but I guess the zip technique has worked pretty well for me on this. And there, it's open. But I'm gonna try and single pin pick it because zipping and raking and rocking, although I do like the technique, it almost I don't know, almost feels like cheating to me, or if I don't do it the hard way, I'm not doing it right. I guess kind of dumb, but anywho, I'm gonna try and single pin pick this and then open it up and see what's inside. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm curious to check it out. Here we go. Alright, we're just gonna reset there. I'm pretty sure I overset one or two. The biggest trouble I've been having with this is actually getting my pick to rest perfectly on the pins or balls. There we go. Okay. Whew. Alright, that went better than I thought it would. I'm going to leave this open because I don't have a key for it. And let's check it out. Got the two flatheads in the back. Oh, they're tight. I was taking a look at this in the back, and these screws have quite a bit of damage on them. Quite a few dings, a lot of uh, tightening or loosening mishaps, and you slip out with the screwdriver. So I think this thing has been opened up a few times in its lifetime. So not too sure what to expect. Okay, there's one and two. Take that back plate off. Move those out of the way. Now, I don't have a plug follower with the slot in it to accommodate this little notch or this little ledge. So I actually have to go ahead and, without doing this the wrong way and locking it, I actually have to turn it right upside down so this will sit on there and I can get this out without screwing all the pins up in there. See if we can do it. Alright. Just move those. Sorry about bumping the camera here 60 times. See if we can zoom in for you guys. And open this, or check this out. And I know you probably can't see that, but it actually does not look like it has any ball bearings in it. Huh. Or it does. Okay. Oh, so it's got a ball bearing and then a wafer on top. Cool. Okay. Oh. Huh. I guess I spoke too soon. There's a standard pin. That's number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Standard. Number 5. And there's a 6th hole, but there's nothing in that. Empty. Okay. Now let's check this out. If you guys have watched my other videos, this is how I like to do this. Oh, that one went flying out the top instead of through the tube. There's our first pin, standard. Second is a standard, both same length. Third is a standard. Fourth is a standard, and that looks like a pretty new copper or brass copper spring. And number 5, another standard pin. So that's what I was expecting. Didn't feel like there were any security pins inside. Yeah, that was pretty cool. I kind of thought it was going to be ball bearings all the way through. I didn't know what to expect. A little bit disappointed that they're just standard pins for the last 4, but that's okay. It was pretty cool. Hope it wasn't too boring for you guys. If anybody happens to know anything about this, how old it is or anything like that, you could leave info in the comments. That'd be really cool. And actually, same with this one here. This is another corbin. It's a newer one. I've watched a lot of your guys' videos opening corbins, and I've yet to see this style body and whatnot. If anybody knows anything about this, leave me a comment. Let me know. I'm curious if there's security pins in here or not. Haven't really spent any time on it yet. Anywho, thanks for watching. Hope it wasn't too boring. Always keep it legal and have fun. See you next time, guys.